Hota, I love you. Hota just gave me another custom firmware. Actually, they gave it to me like a month ago. I'm just now getting around to looking at it. I'm sorry, guys. I've been really busy, but I just now am getting it. I'm about to install it on here, and I just had a little moment of sadness because that's how many packs I've charged on this firmware, and 1753 packs. And it just makes me a little sentimental blowing that number away to try new firmware. But the new firmware has got one button charging mode, which they've given me before on the F6 Plus. And I'm excited to have that. One button lets me plug in one, two, three, four batteries into this charger, push a single button, and they all fire up on the same settings. I love it. I can't wait to have it enabled on my F6. This is my go-to field charger. So yeah, I'll be posting it. It's already up on my Google Drive. So if you go to my website and check out the F6, there's a firmware there and you can try it too. I'll be posting my findings shortly, but it's already available for your access if you like it. flyhighfpv.com